Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome back to the course. And from this lecture, we are starting working on the admin panel of this whole project. So you can see this is the website for this project, and I had shown you my account. I mean the customer account. We worked on that as well, all of the sections, and now we need to work on the admin panel. So you can see this is the main folder, e-commerce main root folder for or this project. You can see there are many pages we have created, PHP pages. There are many folders. Inside that we have a customer folder where we have also pages related to the customer account, and there are folders as well, functions, images, include, styles, etc. And similarly like that we have admin underscore area folder, which is for administrator of this whole project. So you can just double click that. There we have images folder, includes folder, product underscore images, styles, and also insert underscore product page, through which we inserted many products and displayed over here. So that's it. Inside the images folder I have just two images I can show you. Just we will use them as a background images. I have just created them in Photoshop. So this is an image, welcome to admin area, and this is an image for header, manage your content, admin panel, etc. So these two images we will use inside the, I mean this is JPG image and the another one is GIF. So we will use them while creating the layout for the admin panel. And these are the products images which you already inserted into this website through the insertion form. And now we will be directly inserting products using our admin panel. And inside the styles folder I will create a style for this project. We will create a style for this admin panel basically. So let's start. Here is the Notepad++. We'll simply create a page. First of all, we'll save it using Ctrl S, and we will save this page inside the admin underscore area folder, and we will name it index.php. so this will be the main page, the default page for admin panel. That's it. Now very simply we'll start with HTML5 doc type, and after that we'll just start HTML, then head, title of the page, this is admin panel, head close, body start, body close, and HTML close. So basically this is the very basic default structure for HTML. Now the first thing, one more thing, is to create another file which will be CSS. Ctrl S to save, and we will save it inside the styles folder. We'll name it style.css. This will be just for the admin panel. Just save it. Now we'll open one more page which we had actually inside the e-commerce folder, style. We will just copy some style from this existing style sheet. I mean just the default, this default reset CSS basically code that I have copied. I will paste that over here, just so it will actually reset the browser styles, so then we can apply our own style. We'll just first of all say we'll say body color will be, background color will be something like background will be sky blue. That's it. Now after the sky blue we'll create a container. We'll create a class with dot sign. Its name will be main underscore wrapper. That's it. We'll give it something like width 1000 pixel, height auto, and margin will be also auto, so it will be centered align. That's it. Now the next thing is to create header for this. We'll create a ID with header, and that will have some styles like some properties, like width will be 1000 pixel and height will be something like 120 pixel, and background color will be white, and we will add a border over here, border underscore border dash bottom. Bottom border will be 5 pixels, and grows as a style, and it will be orange color border. That's it. Control S to save. Now we can just check out, and sorry, background will be a picture URL which is inside the images folder, and its name is, what is this name? Let's go to the images folder and check out this. bg dash header is its name, and it is JPG image. Just images backslash bg dash header dot jpg. That's it. Control S to save. Now we will just access this admin panel. Just after the backslash of e-commerce, we will just write simply admin underscore area, and we'll click it. You can see there is written K, but there is no style because there is no style because we have actually not included this style sheet into this main HTML document. We first need to, before the head closing head tag, we need to attach that style sheet to this document, so then it can apply over here. And we will use link, and rel is equal to style sheet, relation is style sheet, and a hypertext reference is styles, and then style.css, and media will be all. I need to actually check out what is the name of the folder. Styles. Yes, that's okay, that's fine. So Control S to save. Now simply we'll need to add a div tag, which class will be, we have already defined this class or there, main underscore wrapper, and we'll close this here, and inside this we will add another div tag. ID will be is equal to header, and header close. That's it. Actually this one, I mean this div which has a class main wrapper, will hold all the layout till here, and inside that we can put anything. So the first thing is the header, which we have created already an ID for it with the hash sign, and we have given some CSS properties. So now we'll go and refresh the page, and you can see the background color as well as the border here. The background color is for body tag, we already said here background will be sky blue, but the images are not coming. I don't know why. We need to look at here, bg header URL, background URL, so we can say background image. Okay, Control S to save. Background image URL is this one for the image. Press. Let me check. BG header, and the image is obviously JPG image. JPG BG dot header. We'll put single commas, so now we can once again check. Press. That's actually not coming. Oh sorry, this folder is basically outside the directory, I mean the styles folder, because we have this style sheet file inside this folder, styles folder, and that is outside this directory. The images are not inside the styles folder. So we need to actually say, we need to actually add double dots and backslash. That's mean it is outside the directory. Now it will work fine. Refresh and you can see manage your content, admin panel, and that in this. Now we can add two more div tags. One will be having an id, right, this is right, sorry, nothing, right, and we will say id is equal to left. Manage content, we will write a link, sorry, a text, and we need to create those IDs, both of the IDs. For example, header, sorry, right, let some properties, CSS properties. For example, its width will be 795 pixels, height will be equal to 600 for now. We can then make it, we can make it auto later on, but now it will be that. Background image will be URL double dot and backslash because the folder is outside this directory, and the name of that is, let me check, bg dash body, bg dash body.gif. That's it. And its float will be left. This is basically left side. Now we are again going to create right side, where we will simply say we'll add a property of width should be 200 pixel, and we'll say height will be 600 pixel, float will be right, and background, we'll add background later, and we'll add a border 5 pixel, grow style, and orange color. That's it. Now just we have already added these IDs to these areas, so Ctrl S to save and go here, refresh the page. You can see, sorry, this is we need to this or add this border only to one side, not all the sides. Border left, we need to specify which to which side we need this border. So I have saved again, refresh the page, and you can see this is your admin area, this is the header, and this we can add some kind of color, this kind of color to this area. So for that we will simply open Photoshop to get this color code. This is a color, so we need its exactly this color, so it will look better, or this area. Straight go to C, go to XAMPP, e-commerce, admin area, put this image, and we check out just what is its color code. Its color code is this. I'll just copy this color code and we'll paste it here, and the background will be hash sign and then that color code. Ctrl S to save. Now come here, refresh the page, and you can see that is the same. or we also can simply add this text will be to the right one, I mean manage content. Control S to save, refresh the page, and you can see manage content text is here. So that's it. We have simply created the layout for administrator panel, and we will add all the links over here, what we need to actually manage over here, I mean the product, the orders, the categories, and other things. What we did, we simply created this HTML page for it, and inside that we have simply added four, I think total four div tags, division tags, and we have styled it up using CSS with very simple properties, CSS3 properties you can see. Now that's okay. In next lecture we will simply add important links to this area, so we can click and then can edit the content over here or manage the content over here. Stay tuned till next tutorial.